you like to know how to get good quality signage? Hi, I am Naresh Jhajaria, Director of Admire Sign and Display, India's oldest signage company. In the last 3 decades, we have executed over 200 projects successfully. Today, I am going to talk about the most common problem faced by project managers. How do I ensure I get good quality signage for my prestigious project? In our 32 years of existence, I came across multiple cases where unorganized sellers quoted cheaper rates, made grand promises, but finally delivered a below average quality material. Such instances caused wastage of precious time, money in subsequent maintenance and gravely impacted the brand and its intended communication. I am sure you do not want this. I am going to tell you in 8 easy steps how you can get the right signs for your project. Step number 1. Prepare signage mapping and technical drawings. These ensure the vendor understands your exact needs. This eliminates misunderstanding. Once specification of all materials and signage are documented, it removes unnecessary wastage of time in verbal clarifications. Vendor is in a better position to offer suitable products to you. In the unfortunate event of a future dispute, these documents serve as documentary evidence to settle the case. Step number 2. Check vendor experience. Check the track record if the vendor has successfully executed similar projects in terms of complexity, scale, and expected quality. Verifying the track record of the vendor provides clarity on their experience, credibility, and professionalism. This simple verification eliminates the risk of getting stuck with wrong vendor. Step number 3. Material check. The material used is one area where the vendors tend to cut corners in order to save costs. Always insist on first sample submission before starting the bulk production. This sample stays with you as a reference or proof of material used as per drawings and specifications. You can also get an opportunity to make corrections, if any, into designs and materials before the bulk production. Once you get the technical drawings with material specifications documented, you can verify the quality of specified material from OEM test certificates as well as third-party laboratory test certificates. OEM test certificates for most standard products like LED lights, aluminum extrusions, graphic vinyls, etc. are mostly available online. You should also get the physical test done to ensure that the product used matches online test certificates submitted. Check the material quality and specifications physically while the work is in progress at the vendor's workshop. This way, you will understand the quality of material used before actual supply and installation starts. Step number 4. Goods delivery. Upon getting delivery of finished goods, depute a knowledgeable and competent person to check and approve the goods. For this person's efficiency, provide him a checklist with drawings and specifications. Also check physical damage in transit. Check if lighting spread should be even. There should be no flickering, dark spots, hanging wire shadows, etc. Check the product dimensions with drawings. Check all joints, corners, there should be no gaps. check the moving parts such as locks, hinges, etc. are functioning properly. Get a demonstration of the installation and maintenance process. Step number 5. Due to our chalta hai nature, this is the most important yet neglected activity in India. Many serious accidents happen during and after installation. Neither the buyer nor the so-called expert pays much attention to the safety in transportation, safety of traffic and pedestrians, safety of assets, safety of installation team, and the safety of sign post installation. Make sure the safety of all the above mentioned items are thoroughly checked. Ensure an experienced, knowledgeable, and responsible supervisor is at hand at all the times during transportation and installation process. Only municipal certified and qualified electricians should be allowed to carry out any electrical work after wearing shock-proof gadgets. Step number 6. Warranty. Before taking final handover of the product, it is best to get the warranty certificate with full contact details of the vendor and maintenance agent. This protects you from any future losses. Step number 7. After sales service and maintenance. After sales service and maintenance is also important for the signage. You can get into an AMC agreement with the vendor for this. Step number 8. Ease of graphic change. Make sure that it is easy to change or replace the graphics using minimum tools and without having any expertise. Follow these 8 steps and you will always get to the best quality signages. Hope I have been able to add value to your signage purchase process. If you have any questions and want to know more about signages, please leave a comment below. For more of such videos, please like, comment and share it. Let us make a better future together. Namaste.